Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to assemble the Osaki Platinum Escape Duo. Let's get started. Use the accessory box to hold the mantle in place, ensuring it's stable. Position your calves close to the seat for proper alignment. Plug the calf connector into the calf air hose, making sure the connection is secure. Lock the upper cover of the wire connection box in place using screws. Adjust the lower leg section to tilt toward the seat frame, aligning it properly. Secure the DK gear card firmly in place. Finally, zip up the calf zipper to complete the assembly. Now take out the manual and parts from the box. Once everything is ready, connect the paired cable manually, ensuring the connection is secure. Next, install the plate by setting the screws in place. Finally, attach the rear cover onto the flat bracket, making sure it fits securely. And that's it! Your Osaki Platinum Escape Duo is now fully assembled. Double-check that all panels, connections, and components are secure. If you have any questions, refer to the manual for further assistance. Thank you.